guys, welcome back to my channel. We got the very special guest, Christopher. As always. You're always my special guest. This should just be our channel.
Probably.
Probably. Okay. It's Halloween, so happy Halloween. We are going to do our Halloween makeup. I'm gonna be a leopard. Very basic, but
we love.
I'm gonna do like a full glam with some leopard on me.
And I'm gonna be a skull. Well, I guess it's a skeleton.
Yeah, like a skeleton. Yeah. You're gonna do a skull on your face.
Okay, so what's your inspo for today?
I have two inspos. Do you have an inspo?
I glanced at a video on YouTube that was 6 years old.
This is my inspo for today with a dark lip and then the cheetah on the head.
This is mine.
Yes.
Basic and easy, like me.
Basic and easy.
Okay, let's get started.
Okay, let me put my cheetah ears on to put my hair back.
Oh my god. Yeah, my hair's, I'm fine. I haven't done anything like this in so long, I forget what I'm doing, but.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Like for makeup?
Yeah.
Well, I will help you if you need help.
Ooh. Ooh. Do you think this is light enough? Oh, I didn't wait for you to put that stuff on me.
So refreshing.
What does that do?
It's just like a vitamin boost spray. It helps like your fine lines and wrinkles. You have none of those.
Oh, that's a lie.
Okay. If it's not,
I'm kind of embarrassed that this is just the
that's
color
fine,
that I am.
Look it. We got a full white we can set it with.
Yes, thank you, James Charles.
Yes, James Charles. He is the best. But I think he made that palette literally for stuff like this where,
like not just like daily stuff.
right, like you can use it on a daily basis, but he's also all about
the artiste.
Yeah, being an artist.
I love that. Do you know who I recently really started to love on YouTube?
Who?
That girl, Bailey Sarian, the one that does the...
I love her so much. I want to be best friends with her.
She's so good. She the amount of research she puts into
oh, it's outrageous.
The stuff she talks about, and then she does really good makeup too.
Well, she's a makeup artist.
Oh, that makes sense.
Yeah,
okay.
yeah, she's a makeup artist, and that's literally her job. But I think since, she's been doing the Murder Mystery Makeup Mondays for a while, but I think ever since, COVID, she's actually,
doing it more?
Doing it more, and I think, her channel has just grown. She's almost at 3 million, and I'm so proud of her. I don't even know her.
I know, I love that. I want to have 3 million subscribers on YouTube.
What?
3 million subscribers.
Yeah, seriously, me too.
I just want to be rich.
Me too.
That's all. Is that too much to ask?
Nope.
Okay.
Are you getting mask acne?
No.
You're used to wearing a mask though, right?
Yeah, but you know what's funny? I've been wearing a mask every day, 5 days a week for 8 years.
Oh, wow.
And it never bothered me until now. And now I hate it.
Yeah, well, because you have to. You have to do it when you're not at work.
Everywhere I go. So, obviously you should be wearing a mask. We're in the middle of a global pandemic, so.
Yeah. All right, let's do
We're back.
eyebrows. We're back. Do you watch? We're back. Do you watch Mini MUA?
I used to sometimes, but I haven't in a very long time.
Every time he does his eyebrows off camera, and then he comes back, he's like, "Back and brows are filled. Back and brows are filled." And every time I'm sitting there singing it.
I haven't watched him in so long.
Really?
Yeah.
I feel like I'm just always watching. You have good brows.
Oh, thank you.
I feel like I'm just always watching murder stuff. And I'm not watching unless Bailey posts a video or one of my favorite.
I love the conspiracy stuff and murder stuff too.
Oh my god, I Did you watch her new one from Monday? It's about like Salem witch trials.
No, I haven't. Who? Michael Ross.
Do those look good?
Yeah, I like do have nice eyebrows, huh?
Yeah, they're just like, I just had to like fill them in a little. Okay. Let me do eyeshadow
It smells
first.
like coffee.
It smells like the beach.
Oh.
Doesn't it? It smells like if
Same
you're
thing.
going
That's good.
like the beach. What's wrong?
I don't know. I feel like because you're supposed to use your other hand for this because I'm left-handed. I can't.
I'm left-handed too. I don't know. You just go.
Oh, okay. I can do it.
Okay.
I gotta figure it out. It feels so hard.
It is. You'll get used to it.
I don't know.
I mean, if you did your makeup all the time, you would get
Yeah.
used to it.
I'm actually kind of glad you had everything because I probably wouldn't have, unless I just did skull makeup all the time, I probably wouldn't have never used the stuff again.
Oh, I know. And that's why I was like, that's why I wanted to go with you, because I knew that I had a lot of what you needed, but I was like, I don't know exactly what you need.
Well, that was so sweet of you.
I know. Just trying to save you some coin.
You know I need it.
You don't.
I have a special needs pony.
Oh my god, how is she?
She's alright. She gets out of her stall sometimes and she's like cooped up.
She's such a little bitch, I love it.
She's been cooped up, so I need something smaller now.
It's crazy that she's like the last OG.
She's
horse.
she's the only horse we have left. Yep. Isn't it weird?
Like the OG though, like Lacey's still alive, Nick's still alive.
That's true.
But like she's the last.
In our like possession.
Comet, Cody, and Duncan were like the OGs.
Yep. I still want to find Tucker.
Oh, Tucker. Little
If you're watching this and you have Tucker, comment below because I want Tucker back.
Tucker is this little tiny. Oh my god, how big was he? 13 hands?
No,
not
he's like
13.
11 hands.
He was like 11 hands. I said that and then I was like, Duncan was 13 hands.
Yeah. Like
Little.
he was bigger than Comet, but not by much.
Yeah. Oh, my ears, where did they go?
What are you doing? You're going crazy.
don't drink? No. Do you just not like it?
Yeah.
He drank, last night we had, oh my god, it was so good. We made hot chocolate. And I put salted caramel Baileys in our hot chocolate.
Oh my god.
It was delicious.
That sounds
I would have never known there was booze in it, and I gave him his and he was like, I can taste it.
Do you not like the taste?
Yeah.
Same. That's why I take shots.
Love it.
I take 3 shots and I'm dancing on the table.
What do you like? What's your go-to to take shots of?
Dr. McKillicuddy, however you say it. The butterscotch.
McGillicuddy's, yeah.
McKillicuddy's?
McGillicuddy's.
McGillicuddy's.
McGillicuddy? McGillicuddies.
McGillicuddies, you know.
I think I have some in my freezer. Not butterscotch though.
Yeah, butterscotch is,
I've
it's gotta
heard it.
be butterscotch.
It's gotta be
Oh,
scotchy.
Grape?
Yeah.
That sounds
Sounds like what?
like medicine.
No, that's pretty good. All right. Where's what I need?
This or this. It's the same thing.
All right. So for the nose, I think I'm gonna start with the nose.
Okay.
Control the broken bones.
My face needs a little
A
drink.
little moistening.
It's a little dry. All right, now what do I do? Oh, it does look cute. Basic, but cute. I just need to do my lips.
Okay. I'm.
Okay.
So this is the finished look.
Finished
not
look.
not too bad.
I think it's cute.
I think so too.
I think you did a good job.
Oh my god, I think you did a good job.
Here, let me show you up close. Oh wow, oh wow. So cute.
Thank you so much. Zachary, show yourself. So
All right, and that is it. We will see you guys next time.
happy Halloween!
Happy Halloween!